Yes, sir. I think that e-learning can be best substitute of classroom learning because through e-learning we can study from anywhere and anytime, and all we need a good connection and computer, and we can easily clear our doubt and by email them, and through email learning we can continue study while doing like full-time job. And due to COVID-19, students are not able to attend schools and colleges. Even in this situation, they didn't stop learning because of e-learning. And and also e-learning gives flexibility. Even if we miss the class, we can listen to it later and we can watch it later. And through e-learning, teachers can explain. I think
Okay,
teachers can
e-learning gives
explain.
flexibility. Lavi Sharma, e-learning gives flexibility. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sometimes,
Sometimes
not
and
every time.
sometimes not. Can you
Yes,
explain?
sir.
Okay, say.
Yeah. Yes, sir. What happens ki like ki suppose somebody have not a smartphone,
Okay.
so they can't take lectures on Zoom or via Google Meet or any online on any other platform. Suppose that ki financial condition is not good, so they and somebody has no
Means
good
poor.
internet.
Means poor
But sir,
persons. Okay,
but
Radhika.
But sir, I think that in this era, I don't think very. I think there are very few people who don't have
Yeah,
smartphones
yeah,
because
you
this
are
is the
right.
need of current situation. Yes.
But if I talk about internet connection and network issue,
Yeah,
lot
yeah,
of
yeah. This can be a
so
issue in the villages, but e-learning can
not
absolutely
not not a villages. I am live at Ghaziabad, and I also face many issues when I was taking my second semester lecture of MBA. I didn't take any single lecture due to network issue. After that, I just connect Wi-Fi at my home. That's why I'm joining you right now.
Radhika, you live
Otherwise,
in Delhi. You live in Delhi. Is
yeah.
there any network problem
Yes, sir.
there?
No, 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 sir.
sir, I live in Ghaziabad, and here Idea and Vodafone and Airtel
Yeah, yeah,
is
sir. I agree with this because in some area they are like Geo SIM, it didn't have network.
only
Yeah, I
Geo.
agree with it.
And
But sir,
sir,
like a coin has two sides. Likewise, e-learning has its own advantages and disadvantages.
and sir, it can cause strain in eyes. It damages eyes effects also eyesights. So if I talk about small children who is pursuing in nursery, LKG, and first, even if I talk about 12th standard students, so it is totally affected for each and everyone.
But yeah, but at the same time, they are not wasting their time by doing useless tasks. At
Uh,
least if you have classes, then you have a particular time schedule that you have to read in that time.
but
Which
if
type
I
of
talk about
Radhika? Which type
Yes,
of
sir.
useless task you are saying about?
Like sir, I have experienced this because my online classes are also going on, and when I don't have classes, then I don't open laptop or I don't read at that time. But if I have classes at that time, then it schedule is my particular that I have to read at that time. So
but
I maybe use
but
mobile, I maybe watch TV, movies like this.
But Radhika, if you are taking your lecture via online, so definitely you have to submit your homework online, okay, on your
Yes,
Google
yes,
Classroom. So you have to need open laptop when you
yes.
have to complete your task. So we can't say ki if we don't have lecture, so we never open laptop. If we have no lecture on whole day, so definitely we have
Yeah,
other
yeah,
work.
yeah. Yeah, I
So
agree with it. But
automatically,
if we have assessment of only 1 hour, then I open in the night and I do it. But
so
at the time of class, I have 8 hours class in a day. So 8 hour class are my permanent that in 24 hours, my 8 hours are for study. But
And
this is not same.
rest of hours you completed your homework what you received from your lecturer and your other faculties. So we have to use automatically. I'm also telling you कि without laptop, without mobile phone, nobody can take online lectures. So we have to need both things.
Okay,
Also Wi-Fi.
if if I will tell about or ask about time utilization, then in that case, which method is better, e-learning or classroom method?
Sir, I prefer e-learning because we can save our time, which distance between our college and the home. That time we can save, and we can also save our lunch time. Okay. Also, we can save our 5 to 10 minutes. Many breaks we have. I have 3 or 4 breaks in whole day, except lunch. So we can save all the things.
Radhika, what about
Yes,
you?
sir, I agree. Yeah, I totally agree with it. Like in, sir, what did you ask? Can you repeat that?
I asked time about time utilization.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So I think in e-learning there will be more time utilization than classrooms because again the issue of flexibility.
Okay.